Meanwhile, Leandra English, who was elevated to the same position by the Bureau's outgoing director, met with top Senate Democrats. She has asked a judge to issue a temporary restraining order to block Mulvaney from taking over the Bureau. Mulvaney, the current White House budget director and a former Republican congressman from South Carolina, has called the agency a joke and an example of bureaucracy run amok. But he said Monday that he would keep the CFPB open. "This agency will stay open. Rumors that I'm going to set the place on fire, or blow it up or lock the doors are completely false," he said. "I am a member of the executive branch of government. We intend to execute the laws of the United States." He said there will be a 30-day freeze on hiring and new rulemaking, as well as a freeze on payment from the Civil Penalties Fund for at least 30 days. He said if there were statutory or legal guidelines, they would be met. Mulvaney said the day went smoothly, though he said the power struggle may be awkward for people who know English. Responding to news reports about the conflicting leadership, he said, "There was one person today who showed up at work claiming to be director. She wasn't here." But earlier in the day, it was a battle of optics as Mulvaney and English jostled for control via emails, tweets, and donuts. English sent staff an email offering Thanksgiving wishes. Mulvaney then emailed staff to tell them to disregard any instructions from English. Both signed their missives, acting director. Cordray said Monday that the issue should be settled by a court. White House Press Secretary Sarah Huckabee Sanders said at Monday's briefing that Mulvaney has taken charge of the Bureau and has the full cooperation of the staff. But English's push to be recognized as the legitimate acting director took a blow Monday after a memo was released from Mary McLeod, the CFPB's general counsel, saying she agreed with the White House that Mulvaney should be recognized as acting director. The Office of Legal Counsel, which acts as a legal advisor to the president, also argued that Mulvaney, not English, was the legitimate director of the department. Until the issue of who is in charge is cleared up, any actions taken by the CFPB are likely to come under legal scrutiny from the banks, credit card, and other financial companies that the agency oversees. No fines are likely to be imposed or new regulations written.